Hey everyone. Tired of those so-called life hacks that just end up wasting more of your time and money? Yeah, me too. That's why I've spent countless hours testing and refining, and I'm here to reveal the actual hacks that really work. Forget the gimmicks, these are real solutions for your everyday problems. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about saving time in the kitchen. We all know meal prep can be a drag, but here's a game changer. Use an ice cube tray to freeze chopped herbs in olive oil. Next time you're cooking, just pop out a cube and toss it into your pan. Instant flavor boost without the hassle of chopping every single time. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Now how about saving some money? Ever find yourself buying fresh produce only to have it go bad before you can use it all? Here's a tip: wrap your veggies in aluminum foil before storing them in the fridge. This can extend their shelf life by up to 2 weeks. Yep, you heard that right. Less waste, more savings. Okay, this next hack is for all the coffee lovers out there. If you're like me, you can't start your day without that perfect cup of coffee, right? But buying coffee filters can add up over time. Instead, use a fine mesh sieve. It's reusable, eco-friendly, and you'll never have to worry about running out of filters again. Plus, it makes you feel like a barista, and who doesn't want that? Now let's talk about keeping your home clean. Cleaning supplies can be expensive, and some of them are full of chemicals. An easy and budget-friendly alternative: mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle for an all-purpose cleaner. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil if you want to mask the vinegar smell. It's natural, effective, and super cheap. Speaking of cheap, here's a quick tip for all the parents out there. Kids' clothes can be pricey, especially when they grow out of them so fast. Consider organizing a clothing swap with friends or neighbors. You'll get new clothes for your kids without spending a dime. Plus, it's a great way to build community. Win-win. And finally, let's talk about tech. We all have those pesky charging cables that seem to get tangled no matter what we do. Here's a simple fix. Use a spring from an old pen. Wrap it around your cable near the ends to keep it from bending and breaking. It's a small change that can save you a lot of frustration and money in the long run. So there you have it. Genuine life hacks that will save you time, money, and stress. Give them a try, and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.